In this video, I will show you how to track goals in ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. In the left column, you should see goals. If you do not see goals, scroll down to more, custom navigation, and make sure you have goals selected. If you still do not see it, click more and it may appear over here. If you would like to pin it to the left column, simply select it. Once you have added goals, you will then see it in the left column. Click it and then select New Goal in the top right corner. Give your goal a name, select the owner, who has access to this goal, and you can give your goal a description. Once you have completed that, your goal has been created. You can then create a target for your goal. So we will set this to 100 videos. You can select the owner and the type of target. So this is a number target and our target is 100. Then click OK. So we have now created a target and we can now track our target of 100 videos. You will see that 0 out of 100 videos have been completed. To track your goals, you can go to your goal, select it, and add the goals as you complete them. So now you can see I have completed 3 out of 100. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.